Hi, Sam and Mabuhay. I'm Dominic, aka Philly Swiss. Welcome back to my channel where we figure out how to live our best lives on a budget without losing our minds. Today, we're diving into some easy make-ahead breakfasts that are perfect for busy mornings, help you save money, and keep you in control of your ingredients. If you're ready to kick your store-bought breakfast habits like I am, give this video a like and hit that subscribe button for more budget-friendly lifestyle tips. Now, I've been on and off with breakfast meal preps, but this year, I'm making it a permanent habit. Why? Well, for one, I'm saving money. Depending on where you buy yours, I could end up paying 5 francs at a time for mine. That could easily add up to 100 francs per month, depending on how frequent I go to work. And two, I control the sugar and portion size. I remember when I was trying to mimic the overnight oats from work. The reason why I couldn't get the flavor as close to it as possible was because of sugar. I don't add sugar in mine since I'm already using chocolate powder. I don't know how much they add, but I'm pretty sure I would end up consuming above the recommended daily amount since I have the whole day ahead that the rest of my meals would also most likely have sugar in it. So, what are we waiting for? Let's get right into it. First up, the classic choco banana combo. Mix 3 tablespoons of chia seeds, 1 cup of your choice of milk, and 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder. Shake it up and add banana slices before refrigerating overnight. For my fellow chocolate lovers, skip the bananas and go full on cocoa. Add a pinch of sea salt or salt to bring out the chocolatey flavor. For matcha fans, mix 1 tablespoon of matcha powder into your choice of milk before adding the chia seeds. A quick whisk ensures no matcha clumps, and then check on it later, maybe after an hour or two, and shake it so the seeds don't clump. Similar to chia pudding, you just layer everything, mix and refrigerate overnight. I love how filling this one is. It's like a dessert for breakfast. If bananas aren't your thing, leave them out and sprinkle some dark chocolate chips instead. For matcha overnight oats, whisk the matcha powder into your milk like we did for the chia pudding, then layer with oats and sweeten with a teaspoon of honey. For the breakfast balls, mash ripe bananas, mix in your oats, cocoa powder, and a bit of honey. Once the mixture is ready, scoop about a tablespoon at a time and roll it into balls. You can refrigerate them for at least an hour to help them firm up. These are perfect for a quick grab-and-go breakfast or even as a midday snack. If you want to make this into a protein ball, just swap the cocoa powder with protein powder instead. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments which one you'd try first or share your favorite breakfast meal prep ideas. I'll see you in the next one.